Hello, this is Dr. Livingood, and today we're talking about scoliosis. You may have found this video because you're suffering with scoliosis, or maybe you have a friend or a family member that's dealing with this condition. Scoliosis is a very serious condition. We are very undereducated in our society with it. The biggest thing with scoliosis is when you have it, it's a severe condition of the spine. Some people don't know that they have it. I've checked several individuals, especially children, that had no idea there was curvature. Why this is so important is because your spine's job is to surround and protect your nervous system. So long as it's in the right position from the front, there's no damage on the nerves, which means the brain can communicate with the body at 100%. Now there's organs attached to these nerves, not just muscles and ligaments. And so at the other end of these nerves, if the nerves are pinched and damaged, the organs can't work. So when this person has no damage, they're healthy. That person is obviously sick. Whether they feel it, don't feel it, whether they have pain or not, that problem is in there. And so when you send someone into a medical doctor's office and they see problems like this, they'll recommend doing a surgery right away because they know, they've seen the same studies I've seen, it takes 15 to 20 years off someone's life, and so they will do a surgery, put a $150,000 rod in there to straighten the spine back up by cutting all of the ligaments. Very barbaric approach, but they know if they don't, the organs will shut down. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. When we find scoliosis, we're looking at it from any level. This level here, this person's sick. But what about this one? Still sick. And how about this one? Still sick. Even if there's slight curvatures in the spine, that's still creating damage. And what our office approach is, and how we go about it with our specialty in chiropractic, is we go about correcting the spine. How do we actually straighten the spine back up and get the damage out of there? Now, some of these cases here may require more expertise, more experts that I pull in to help with it. But with the spines that are shifted out of position, our job is to help get the spine straightened back up to be able to take an initial x-ray and a follow-up x-ray to help people avoid surgery and avoid the misery that goes along with having a scoliosis. And so hopefully you found that helpful today. And if you want more information about scoliosis correction and how you can take care of your problem, visit our website, or you can call the office today for a no-obligation consultation. This is Dr. Livingood signing off.